Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OPPO F19. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click install. Now click open. And here click skip introduction. Now you can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And your Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.